Hey friends, babyyyli here. Hope everyone's having a great day. So for this video, I've decided to give my cats a bath. They have no idea what's in store. I haven't given them a bath since I've moved here, and so I've decided to actually do it in my shower, which will be interesting because I've done it in the bath before, I've done it in the sink before, never works. I've even bought, or I even got them these booties that you can wear when they take a bath so they don't scratch you. But we are gonna try this and we're gonna see. But just as a note, they're both fine. Natasha, she just doesn't like it at all. She screams. They're fine, I'm not hurting them at all. It's just, I wanna let you guys know that they're not in harm at all. But let's do this. So first we're gonna give Natasha a bath because she hates it the most, and might as well get her out of the way. Just something to note, this is the first time again I'm doing this in the shower. I'm wearing long sleeves because she absolutely scratches me, and yeah, I've had past experiences where it was not good. Had to wear long sleeves for a very long time. You wanna make sure that you have the proper shampoo. So the shampoo that I got was from Fresh Grocer when I lived back in Philly. It is this Tropiclean Pet Shampoo. I've had it for about 3 years now. A little goes a long way, which is why I love it. But you can use this on dogs and cats, so yeah. And then you also need a cup, just in case. She has no idea what's in store. Look at her all happy. Smell in the air. Just chilling. She has no idea though. Alright, so. Like I said, she hates the bath. Okay. Take 225. My card ran out of, what do you call it? Funds, so she knows what's coming now. Okay. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Okay. Wasted all this soap. Not a fan. It's okay. Good girl. No, not the pan, Good girl. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. This is the best you've ever done. Make sure it's all out. Just make sure it's all out. Okay? Good girls. first time ever she's done this good. Normally she's like scratching and just isn't good at all. But you did so good. Now it's your brother's turn. Let's do this. Girl. Okay. So far, so good. Kind of crazy, but shampoo. Oh boy. Boy. Too much. No! You're doing so well. Come on. Almost done, okay? Almost there. Almost there. Almost done. Almost done. Gotta make sure it's all out, okay? It's all out. Gotta make sure it's no, not. We're good. Alright. Oh my god. I would say success. So, I would recommend if you have a shower to do a shower instead of a bath. It was pretty easy. It's just they were like kind of locked in, so I didn't like that. But it went by so much faster. It was so much easier. What else? I think just the fact that there was a door and they couldn't like jump was just good, because I've done a bath and a sink before, and there's always a way they can escape. So yeah, and I'm all wet. Like, at least this side's dry, you know. But bath's done. What do you guys have to say for yourselves? I'm so sorry, but it was necessary. Please don't hate me. Please don't hate me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. It wasn't too terrible. I expected much worse. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next week. Bye.